Namaste, and welcome to 10 Minutes with Dr. Marc Halpern. I'm Dr. Marc Halpern, and I'm honored to share this sacred time with you. Today I'm going to talk about ama. Ama is a toxin that forms inside your body. The problem with ama is that once it forms, it tends to clog the channels of your body. It can even coat the cells of your body and interfere with cellular function. This is the Ayurvedic perspective on ama, the toxin that forms as a result of poor digestion. So let's start there. When you consume food, it's essential that you can digest it well. If you don't digest that food well, rather than it being a clean burn of the food, a clean transformation of the food into nutrients, it's almost as if there's charred bits left behind. Those charred bits could be perceived as ama. Ama is the end result of poor digestion. Imagine a campfire. If a campfire is burning well, then it's going to have a clean burn. There's not going to be a lot of smoke. There's not going to be a lot of charred bits that are left behind. You're just going to have ash. When you consume your food, you burn it up a lot like that. If you burn it up and it's real clean, you won't get a lot of black smoke in your body. What that is gas. So if you don't digest your food well, you're going to get a lot of gas and a lot of bloating. And you know that ash that's left behind? Well, those are the nutrients. And if you have a really good burn, then it's easy to absorb those nutrients. But if you don't, well, the end result is ama, a toxin that is created inside your body. It accumulates in your digestive system. It overflows into circulation, and then it gets deposited into the organs and tissues of the body. In fact, even into the cell of the body. And again, it interferes with cellular metabolism. It interferes with the ability of the cells and the tissues to do their job properly. So if you want to avoid ama, you have to do a couple of things. The first thing you need to do is you need to take the foods that are appropriate for your constitution. You need to follow an Ayurvedic diet. Now, those are very good foods to take, but it's still important that you can digest them well. So they have to be prepared properly. When they're prepared properly, it makes it easy for your body to digest. And that means that it has the appropriate herbs and spices that have been added to it to assist you to digest it well. Now, if you take in the proper foods and you're able to digest it well, then your body will absorb those nutrients and build healthy tissues from it. If not, you could have ama that's left behind, and that's going to interfere with all the functioning of your body. If you develop ama in your body, then you have to cleanse your body. You have to get rid of the ama that has accumulated in the tissues of your body. That's not easy to do, but it can be done. Many people are going on cleanses today, and those cleanses will help you to get rid of the ama in your body. Now, there's what I would call superficial ama and deep ama. Cleanses tend to get rid of superficial ama. It'll cleanse your digestive system, and it'll cleanse the superficial layers of your tissues. It's very important, and it's very healthy to do that. Now, to get rid of deep ama that has really penetrated deeper into your system, Ayurveda has a practice called Panchakarma. And Panchakarma is a process that allows for deeper cleansing to take place to get into the deeper organs of your body. And it's particularly important when you're having chronic disease that is the result of excess ama that's accumulated over many, many years. So you don't have to have ama in your body. You don't have to develop it, and you don't have to keep it in your body. If you follow proper Ayurvedic practices and take the proper foods, you consume them properly, they're prepared properly, your body will digest it and you'll avoid ama. If you develop ama, then you're going to want to go for a cleanse or go into Panchakarma, which is usually done as a more residential cleansing program that involves a very light diet. It involves taking special herbs and special ghee that has been prepared to soften the ama. You want to let that ghee penetrate those deeper tissues, soften the ama, and release the ama from those tissues. And then it goes back to the digestive system. Then during Panchakarma, the digestive system is flushed. It's flushed through the use of enemas and also through the use of a practice called Virechana, which is basically inducing purgation or diarrhea so that you can cleanse the small intestine and the large intestine. Once that's done, a person typically feels a bit more tired and a bit weaker. So you have to go through proper rejuvenation in order to rebuild the strength of the body, rebuild your energy, and to achieve your optimum health. Well, now I hope you understand more about ama, how to prevent it from forming in your body, and if you do have ama in your body, how to get rid of it. There's just one last tip that I want to leave you with. If your body is very weak, let's say you've been very, very ill, and you don't have a lot of strength, please be careful with strong cleanses, because while they will get rid of the ama in your body, they will weaken your body even more. So if you have a serious illness, please work with an Ayurvedic practitioner in order to get the best care that you can get. Because your Ayurvedic practitioner will assess your strength, which is we call Ojas in Ayurveda, will assess that and determine how much of a cleanse that you will be able to participate in. Most important is that we keep our energy strong, we keep our Ojas strong, and we also get rid of that ama that has been accumulating. Many blessings to you on your continuing journey toward optimum health. Namaste.